I'm at an estate sale right now, y'all. Check this out. Check out what we got behind us right now. Y'all are gonna love this one. Woo! Look what I just found, guys. Woo! Look what we got. We gotta go pay the man. All right, guys, check this out. I will give y'all a close up. This thing looks good.
Is that truck?
Dude, I'm driving a semi. Bro, this thing is so big. This is like twice as long as the one I went to school in. Oh, we're driving. Oh, this thing's got power. Come on, baby. We got a bubble eye behind us. Oh! Chevrolet. We got that air ride Flair, baby. Let's go. Man, I didn't even test drive it before I bought it. I'm in an RV. I'm in an RV, y'all. What did I just buy? We gotta go to the gas station. We don't have much gas in this thing. Going on a road trip. I don't know if it's in low gear or what, but oh shit, are we running out of gas? I don't know. I might be in low gear. I don't know. Gas station's right up here. We should be all right. See the gas station coming on up. I don't know if it's in low or not, but we'll find out. We're gonna run out. Go slow. Grab this. Well, we made it. I don't know if it was in low or not. I don't know. I don't know why it wouldn't shift. All right.
Smoking me out.
Really? It's blowing a lot of smoke?
Yeah, I don't know.
Already got our first breakdown.
What the hell's smoking? I mean, that just smells like hot engine bay.
I need a flashlight.
In the front. It's right there. That's the intake.
Oh yeah, that is the intake. It's in the front, huh? We gotta pop it and look. It's the right key?
Yeah.
All right, open it. I think it's just got a bunch of oil on it. It's been sitting. It's probably just burning off. You see any smoke?
That's the block.
I don't see any smoke. No, nothing.
No, that was oil. I mean, it was brown smoke coming out the pipe. Black, brown.
Scantil's in the avalanche.
It smelled. No, it smelled almost like somebody put diesel in it. That's what it smelled.
Really?
Yeah. Is that a possibility?
Oh man, brake on the axle got stuck on. Everybody's out today. We had to crawl up under this thing for an hour. I'm dying. I gotta get out of here. right, we're moving now. We're moving. Not very fast. I don't know why. We're limping back to the shop. Man. Okay, we're picking up speed. We need to get this thing scanned when we get back.
Well,
what's
really,
in there?
Really, we need to.
Oh, we got a tow hitch. Oh, y'all know what this is for?
We need to open all these up and let it air out.
Y'all know what this is for? Air it out. Oh. Okay, well,
No
we can investigate. Let's investigate.
It's broken.
Radiator cap. Here's the hydraulic.
For your spare or something.
So you find what was broken on it.
What daubers on it?
It's really nice. Oh, that one goes on there.
What?
That hydraulic holder. Look what we got under here. Let's see what we got. Wow. Oh yeah, we gotta clean that thing up though. Guys, look. Here's the deal. It's 90 degrees out here. We gotta clean this thing up, okay? We gotta get it back up to the shop, okay? It's got 20K miles on it. 23K miles on it. Right? It's good. All right, so we got it going, right? So we left the estate sale like this, and then we're driving. I'm like, it won't go anywhere. It won't go anywhere. Like, oh man, this thing has no power. It's like, my brother's like, oh no, we bought a piece of shit. It's like, dude, it broke down in the gas station parking lot, right? Had no power. I'm trying to go. It's like 100 degrees of the asphalt. I'm trying to go back and forth. It won't go. He's like, go. I'm like, it won't go. And then, so then we crawl under it, right? Emergency brake cable, flipped, whatever. Dude, look at this, right here, look. You see that? That's your brake, okay? Your brake pedal is not supposed to do like this. See that? The brake was sticking on the whole time. I thought the transmission was blown, something. Look, the brake is stuck on, right? So we gotta get that sorted first, but after I pulled it up, I said, whoa! This thing has a ton of power. I was like, whoa, oh, snap, it's like a semi. So we got it back, and then that's where we are now. And we ozoned it, okay, next day. We ozoned it, right? So we had it set up. It's still kind of musty and moldy in here, but we're working on it. We're getting it all cleaned up. And yeah, we got the AC going. We're gonna be chilling. Whew. Come on, let's see what's that? We're at 87. We're trying to go 6.7, all right? So it smells fresher in here, but I don't know where we're going with this video. Come here, let me talk to you for a second. We need to do a Match Shop World Tour. Match Shop USA Tour. We're gonna come to your town and we're gonna fix your truck, and I'm gonna live in this thing and do a mobile mechanic repair. Do y'all think that's a good idea? I don't know, let me know. But we need to tinker with it a little bit more. We need to seal the roof up. I need to go get me an air filter. The fluids were good, the tire pressure's good, all that stuff's good. We just need to, give it a tune up, and I don't know, maybe wash it up next, probably we're gonna do. I don't know if I'm doing that this video, but yeah. I bought an RV, guys. I own an RV. This is my home now. This is a Mechanic Central. So yeah, you like it? Did you start? All right, so check this out, guys. Wow, look at that. Can you see it? Chevy 454, big block. Look at that. No leaks. 25,000 miles. Vortec V8, 98 Vortec V8. Man, look at that. Show them I'm not lying. Look at this. Right here. Can you see it? 25K. Bow. All right, so, man, this thing runs good. I hooked the scanner up to it. I'm not gonna lie, I hooked it up. We got one bad O2 sensor, it's like 40 bucks. I'm gonna give me an air filter, the fluids look good, check the oil level, everything is immaculate, it's flawless, it's good. So we need to get us some heat shield, like some insulation for up here or something, but yeah. It's looking really good, man. And look, so here's the deal, right? So we can sit like this, okay? We can sit like this. I got the AC on, okay? I have the radio on, okay? I can sit in here in 60-degree AC when it's 100 degrees outside. And I can just work on it, right? Sit in here, you know, chill, take a nap if I need to, get some foodie if I need to. And then when I'm done, I turn the key and I'm on my way. I don't even have to go outside. Very nice. All right, here we got LPG, check it out. Liquid propane gas. I sell propane and propane accessories.
Liquid petroleum.
Liquid petroleum, okay, liquid propane. Right here, it's full. That came with it. All right, just random stuff we've been checking out. This is our spare. Our AC's dripping, we got AC. Check this out. Look. Look at that. It's a generator. We gotta get it cleaned up, but it's a generator. It sucks off of the gas tank and it uses that to recharge the batteries, and then it fills up the batteries, tops them off so that we can have AC. That's badass. Okay, that is badass. This right here, this is for smug. Hold on, don't lock me up in here like this. You know, it says it sleeps 6, but I think you can fit an extra. Oh man, I'm stuck. Oh no. Oh no. You can sleep 7 effectively. All right, there you go, right there. We got to patch the roof up and stuff. We got night vision cameras all around this thing. I mean, I got like 7 cameras. We'll get this thing set up. The awning works. I'm not doing it right now, but yeah, man, I'm stoked.
Oh, it's in the steering wheel.
Ready? Did you start? All right, so he wanted 8,200 for it. 98, 25,000 miles. I said I'd give you $4,000. I don't know. I mean, I'd never bought an RV. He wouldn't do it. He said, I don't know what he said. He said they wanted some weird number, 5750 or something. 50. What did he say? What did he say he wanted? Oh snap! Hairbands. 5875 something. I said, all right, you know, 5 back and forth, 5,000. No, he wouldn't do that. 5,500. I said, look, 5,200, bro. So I gave him 5,200 bucks for this thing. Okay, 5,200 bucks, 25,000 miles. The 454 big block's worth at least $3,000 with that many miles on it. You can put it in a Corvette. So we got a deal on it. We're not in this for profit like that. We're in it for fun, but we got a good deal on it. That's it. You can stop. All right, we got the Fleetwood Flair back. Man, what an adventure, right? It's getting dark on me. I'm done working on this for today. We got our work cut out for us. This is a Vortec V8, okay? 1998, big block, 454. It's gonna be a ton of fun to work on. You know, we gotta tune it up, that's fine. We gotta seal it up. We gotta do some stuff, some work to it as usual. I mean, that's what we do on this shop, but we'll get it done. So I'll check you on those videos. Don't forget, drop me a huge thumbs up, but don't forget to subscribe because you're not gonna wanna miss out on these Chevy Vortec V8 adventures. I'll check you on the next one. Later.